everybody. I'm Kay. You're watching It's Just K1. How you doing? What's going on? It's the weekend, almost time to go back to work and everything. I just want to welcome you to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning person, you know the routine. The video coming up is just like a review and a self-care video of taking care of them feet, taking care of them toes, taking care of them footsies, them footies, them feetsies. Anyway, it's also a great buy I found over the weekend. It's a foot spa from Walmart, and it was only $20. I've always wanted a foot spa. I didn't know it's a range of from the cheapest to most expensive because I've never had one. I did buy one a long time ago for a friend that was on a registry. I don't even remember what kind it was. It was so long ago. But anyway, the video contains a review of the foot spa. It was well worth it. It was worth the $20. It was only two things I had to say about it. One was I was under the impression that the machine kept the water hot for the whole time that you're using it. It did not. I filled it the first initial time, and then I filled it another time myself. But I've been told that there are some that will keep the water hot, more expensive. The second thing is that the water line, it says don't go past this line with the water. Okay, well, we all know that when you put your feet in there, the water's going to rise. So anyway, you're kind of limited on that. But it was okay. It was okay. They have these good massage plastic things on the base of it, and they really massage your feet. You have to rub your feet over it. And then on the top, on that blue part, there's three different like these plastic things you can put in place, and you can take your feet out and rub them across. They have like different little indentions on them for supporting tired feet or whatever. Like I said, over the last couple of weeks, my feet have been just like, it just feel like I'm walking outside bare, even though I haven't, but that's just how I felt. So I will be going to get a pedicure very soon. But anyway, I like the unit. I will use it again when I don't feel like going to sit. Like I said many times in a video, I appreciate where you can let your feet actually soak and not be rushed through, because at a lot of these spots that you go get your feet done, they just rush you through. They rush you through. A lot of times the water is not hot all the way through. Sometimes you'll sit there and wait on them, and then the water gets cold. So I appreciate the unit, and I would buy it again. I'm going to use it again, and I would recommend it. Other than that, it was fine. So, oh, and at the end, don't worry about, I did not try to do no professional polish at the end. I just tried to polish my toes because they were bare through like probably 95% of the video. So you could crack on them. I don't care. Anyway, but just wanted to come on here and let you know about the unit. And it was a great deal. It's by Equate, and it was $19.99 at Walmart. has a massage thing right here on top. It feels so good. So good. Does it have a speed? No. It's just an off and on. It's an off and on. It needs to have a speed because this is just bubbles, but you see the water's all the way down there. That's why I got this towel under here. But it needs to have a speed. Like, it needs to have some type of speed. But it feels good. It feels so good on the bottom. It has these little things on the bottom of the tub that massage your feet. Oh my God, it feels so good. And then right here, there's a little massage thing. You can go up and down on the bottom of your feet. That feels good too. Right there. But in here, oh, up at the front, they have these things on the bottom. I don't know if you can see it. It's up under that water. Oh, they feel so good. So I'm going to sit here and soak a bit. I like soaking. When you go get a regular pedicure, to me, they don't let you soak long enough. They just try to rush you in and out, you know. But I like to go for a soak. I like my feet to soak. It's like in a tub, I want to soak. And I don't want it to be like 10 minutes and then we move on to the next thing. But this feels so good on the bottom of my feet. This is a Equate foot bath from Walmart, y'all. It was only 20 bucks. I don't know what took me so long to get me one. I think I bought one of these for somebody for a gift before. Not necessarily Equate, but I got this at handy old Walmart. So yeah, it feels so good on the bottom, especially these little foot massagers built into the bottom. Feels so good. So I'm gonna sit here and chill out. Enjoy my snack. My favorite, one of my favorite snacks. And chill out and let it bubble back up again. I turn it on for you so you can get a feel of what it does. It's not that much water in there because you see when I take my feet out, it's not that much water. Put it back in. Now I'm going to turn it on so it'll start doing the pulsating. It said don't go over a certain line, so I presume that's why it was bubbling over. So I'm going to turn it on. Feels so good, y'all. Feels so good. I added to it was first the Dr. Teal's foot soap. I also dropped in a few drops of this St. Ives Sea Salt and Pacific Kelp body wash because I like this. I like to use this. I use this sometimes. But this is good too. And it's just for the soak. As you see, like I said, the bubbles are going over. That's only because I went over a little bit with the water. Don't worry. We won't have any accidents here. But I'm going to wrap a taste with you in a bit. This feels so good, y'all. So good. Self-care. Soaking them toady-odies. This need to be a hot tub. I'll get back with you in a bit. It's nice, and it's mainly for soaking because this is the second round of water that I put in here. It doesn't keep the water hot. It just keeps the water pulsating, so to speak. So if you put hot water in here, it'll last you for a little time. But if you put, lukewarm, or you're messing around, you don't get in here, it may be lukewarm water. But it feels excellent. I will use this again. It's like I said many times, the nail places do not let you soak long enough. And if they let you soak, then the water is cold. But I like this because it has the massage things on the bottom. And they feel, on my feet. It feels so good on the bottom of my feet. And this is the second round I did with it, right after the water got cold the first time. But I would purchase it again, and I do recommend it if all you want to do is soak. Feels good.